Hey guys, in this video I wanna show you how to fix the issue black screen on the program OBS Studio. For example, we're gonna take as example with GTA 4. So let's see it. First of all, you need to find the settings right here. Settings. So now you need to find system, display, roll right here, and find the graphics. Now you need to push the button add desktop app, push it and find the game that you want to play on OBS with the OBS Studio. Just find the game. We find the GTA 4, just right here, add, and after that put right here, let Windows decide. Just put it on it like that, choose this option, on, and that's all. After that, OBS, find the OBS, or just add the desktop again, or the same way like that. Find the OBS, OBS bin, 64-bit, OBS exe. Okay, add the same way, and let Windows decide, on, and that's all. Close it. After that, find the find the OBS again, like that. Bin. Click on it. Properties. Find the properties. Click on the right button, properties, compatibility, choose the run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7, run this program as an administrator, also push it right here, apply, and okay, that's all. Close it. And now it must working, guys. So let's see it. As you can see right now, you cannot you can see the game. Just let's see it. Does it work? Okay. So let's see it. As you can see, it's working. It's working, guys. It's working. Yeah. So if you find this video useful, let me know in comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.